Hi everyone, this is Jimmy from StockKingOptions.com, and today I'm going to show you a Flowalgo strategy which we use on a daily basis. Check it out. So today we're going to start with Flowalgo at Flowalgo.com. There is a link in the description below. You can check it out. And just to give you a quick overview, these are the order flows which come in. So you can see today is May 6th, 2020. So these are the specific order flows which come in. Their symbol, the time, expiration date, strike price, call or put, the price at which the stock was when the option was bought, the contracts, and at what price those contracts were. Split, sweep, block, I will actually describe that in another video. It shows the premium, the algo score, which is in beta, and the given industry that it's in. Just as a quick view here, it shows for the day kind of a neutral flow to everything. It would show bearish or bullish. Put to call ratio, put flows, how many put orders were in and how many call flows were in. This is the dark pool section, which shows the orders trying to take place outside of the market, and the alpha AI, which we use all the time as a idea, as something that gives us an idea of what stocks to look at and when to get in. So today specifically, we're going to look at one of our options strategies, which came in on May 30th. So on 4/30th. So we're going to bring up Netflix from 4:30. And I want to bring just everything that came in on that Thursday, which is actually May 1st. What was that, Friday? And click search here. So there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there were 8 orders, 8 Netflix call orders. If it's green, it's a call. If it's red, it's a put. So there were 8 Netflix call orders which came in on March 30th. These were set to expire the next day. Same with this one up here, which was a strike price of 420. Another one here, a strike price for 430. Another one for 430, 420, 420. And someone actually came in here and put an order. By the way, this time is Eastern Standard Time. And someone actually came in here on that Thursday, put in order to expire the next day with a strike price of 370, 515 contracts at $49 each contract. It was a sweep, and it cost them $2.5 million. So the way that we take this data is this is basically trying to follow the smart money. No one's going to come in here and just make trades or place these huge trades just on a whim. They know something that we don't. We just know that we're trying to follow their orders here. So you could tell here this was about, I'm going to say about $3 million in total that was put into Netflix that day. So it tells you the time, 9:23 a.m., which is actually 6:23 a.m. Pacific time. We're going to go into Netflix. So at 9:23 a.m., I'm sorry, 9:32 a.m. on April 30th, they placed this order here. 415 strike price, call 415 strike price, so it's somewhere around this time, 4:30. Was that 9:32? So 6:32 Pacific time. So somewhere within this, they made a $159,000 option order. So as you can see, not only did they hit their strike price on this options trade here, they made more money going as the stock rose. So they made money here. So they probably hit 100% on their trade here. And then throughout the day, there were more orders coming in. As you can see here, 950, 1006, 1006, 1007. So you could tell where the smart money's going. The last one for that day came in at 2:46 p.m. 2:46 p.m. So that is 11:46. So at this time right here, actually, at this time right here, this $2 million order came in right here, right here. Now what I'm trying to get you to grasp is not the amount of money, but the amount of orders that came in. That's what we call order flow. So they made all these orders for the next day expiration. And they're not just going to toss all this money away. So they came in, and guess what happened the next day? Netflix skyrocketed. And they probably took profit somewhere around here. So this is the power of using Flowalgo. Noticing all these trades for this next day, and basically following the smart money. So you're kind of joining the trade that they're trying to join. Next day, skyrockets. You take. I'm sure they took profits as well as you should have. You would have made probably. I'm guessing here, but you would have probably made 100, maybe 200%, depending on your strike price. So that is the power of Flowalgo, and this is happening not only with Netflix, but with multiple trades on a daily basis. Just analyzing how these orders when these orders came in. Basically following the smart money and trying to take advantage of the order flow that's coming in. So that's it for today, and I want to thank you. Please join or subscribe. We will be showing more videos like this of option strategies. This is just one of what we do at Stock King Options, and if you would like to join, we have a gold trading room and a platinum trading room where we call out trades like this. We actually made 150% on this trade, and I believe we put about $2,000 in, so we made about $2,500 back, something like that. So yeah, just if you would like to join, the link is below. Also, we have a link for Flowalgo if you want to check it out. Everything will be placed in the description below. And I want to thank you again for watching our video, and see you on the next one.